Gentlemen, let me start with a difficult truth. One of the hidden reasons many men over 60 struggle with low energy, weak muscles, stubborn belly fat, and even problems with intimacy isn't simply aging. The real culprit is silent nutritional decline. Years of eating the wrong foods, losing muscle mass, and starving your body of the nutrients it needs to perform. You may think, this is just normal for my age. But research proves otherwise. Even after 60, the male body is capable of building lean muscle, burning fat, and restoring sexual vitality if you give it the right fuel. And today, I'll show you exactly how. We'll cover the best diet for seniors who want to gain muscle, lose fat, and boost intimate performance, plus 5 science-backed foods that improve blood flow, restore energy, and support your independence. Diet and muscle, the forgotten partnership. Here's the first thing I tell my patients: muscle is medicine. Strong muscles don't just help you lift more at the gym, they protect your joints, stabilize your balance, improve blood circulation, regulate blood sugar, and even increase testosterone. But here's the catch. After age 60, most men lose up to 1% of muscle every year. Combine that with a slower metabolism, and you end up with weaker legs, a growing belly, and less stamina. The key to reversing this isn't just exercise, it's the right diet, enough protein to rebuild muscle fibers, the right fats to support testosterone and brain health, micronutrients that enhance blood flow, strengthen bones, and prevent cramps. Without this partnership between diet and movement, your workouts won't build muscle, and your meals won't give you energy. Part 1. The role of blood flow and vitality. Now, let's address something most men are afraid to talk about: intimate performance. Many older men think loss of performance is only about testosterone, but in reality, the number one factor is poor circulation. If your arteries are stiff, your blood sugar is high, or your belly fat is storing excess estrogen, your performance suffers. That's why the foods we'll discuss aren't just for muscles, they're for your entire system, heart, brain, and intimacy included. Part 2. 5 foods that boost muscle, burn fat, and improve performance. 1. Beets, the circulation booster. Beets are rich in natural nitrates, which the body converts into nitric oxide. This relaxes blood vessels, improves circulation, and increases oxygen delivery to muscles. Muscle gain. Better circulation means nutrients reach your muscles faster, improving recovery. Fat loss. Improved endurance helps you burn more calories during exercise. Vitality. Nitric oxide is the same pathway targeted by many prescription pills for performance. Tip: drink half a glass of beet juice before your workout, or roast fresh beets as a side dish. 2. Salmon and fatty fish, the testosterone protector. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, salmon reduces inflammation, protects the heart, and supports testosterone levels. Muscle gain. Omega-3s increase muscle protein synthesis, meaning your body uses protein more effectively. Fat loss. Lower inflammation makes fat cells more responsive to burning. Vitality. Omega-3s improve endothelial function, the lining of your arteries, which is critical for intimate blood flow. Tip: eat salmon or sardines twice a week, grilled or baked. 3. Greek yogurt, the protein powerhouse. As men age, protein becomes harder to absorb. Greek yogurt is a concentrated, easy-to-digest protein source with added calcium and probiotics. Muscle gain provides casein and whey, both slow and fast-digesting proteins. Fat loss keeps you full, preventing late-night cravings. Vitality Probiotics improve gut health, which plays a surprising role in hormone balance. Tip: choose plain, non-fat Greek yogurt. Add berries or flax seeds for extra fiber and antioxidants. 4. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, arugula, the hidden testosterone. Friend, dark leafy greens are rich in magnesium, which older men often lack. Magnesium supports testosterone production and muscle contraction, muscle gain. Magnesium helps activate enzymes that fuel strength. Fat loss. Fiber reduces hunger and stabilizes blood sugar. Vitality. Improves blood vessel elasticity, supporting better circulation. Tip: add a handful of spinach to omelettes or smoothies daily. 5. Eggs. Yes, but with balance. Many seniors avoid eggs due to cholesterol myths. In truth, eggs are one of the most complete protein sources, with all 9 essential amino acids and healthy fats. Muscle gain. Amino acids like leucine trigger muscle growth. Fat loss. Protein stabilizes appetite and metabolism. Vitality. Cholesterol in eggs is actually the building block for testosterone. Tip: 1 to 2 whole eggs with vegetables make a perfect breakfast. Avoid frying in heavy oils. Opt for olive oil or steaming. Real patient success stories. Let me share 2 real cases from my practice. Manuel, 68 years old. He came in with weak legs, low stamina, and said intimacy was just not the same anymore. We switched his breakfast of toast and jam to Greek yogurt with berries, added salmon twice a week, and had him drink beet juice before his walks. Within 6 weeks, he reported better energy, 8 pounds of fat lost, and a noticeable improvement in his performance. George, 63 years old. A retired teacher, he believed it was too late to gain muscle. We focused on simple chair squats for exercise and added spinach and eggs to his daily meals. After 3 months, he gained visible muscle in his legs, dropped 3 inches from his waist, and told me, "Doctor, I feel like my body is finally working with me, not against me." These are not miracles. They are the results of giving your body the right foods at the right time. The bigger picture, small daily wins. Gentlemen, remember this: diets don't work when they are extreme. The best diet for men over 60 is sustainable, enjoyable, and powerful. Focus on lean protein for muscle repair. Add healthy fats for hormones and brain power. Choose whole carbs like oats and quinoa for steady energy. Prioritize micronutrients that improve circulation and reduce inflammation. Every bite you take is either fighting muscle loss and fatigue or feeding it. Motivating close and call to action. Men, here's the truth: aging does not mean decline. Even after 60, you can gain muscle, lose fat, and restore intimate performance. Your body is waiting for you to give it the right tools: circulation-boosting foods, protein-rich meals, and smart fats that protect your hormones. So, I challenge you. Start today. Add one of these foods to your next meal. Take a 20-minute walk afterward and notice how quickly your body responds. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these foods will you try first? Beets, salmon, Greek yogurt, leafy greens, or eggs? Comment below. And if this message spoke to you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss more science-backed health tips designed for men over 60. Because, gentlemen, your best years are not behind you. With the right diet, they are still ahead.